Hello everyone, welcome to the Binhex community where we bring you the latest and greatest Odoo features. Let's dive into today's video. Today I will show you how you can manage your relationship with your customers in Odoo. To do this, we are going to head to the CRM model, and this will be our pipeline where we will find all the sales opportunities that I have associated as a salesperson. If I want to check other opportunities, I will need to remove this filter and all the others would appear. These opportunities go through several stages before confirming the sale. You'll find these stages right up here at the top, and we can edit the name, reorder the stages, and even add new ones. Now, what kind of information can we include? Let's create a new opportunity. Click on New and select the customer. If you don't have them registered yet, no worries. You can create them on the spot. Once you select the customer, the details autofill, and a default title for this opportunity pops up, but you can change it anytime. If we click on Edit, we can add more details like internal note, the expected revenue from this potential sale, or the expected closing date for this opportunity. You can also log activities like a meeting with the client, which will show up in the Odoo calendar, or other activities as you see on the screen. You can assign these activities to a coworker and set a deadline for them to complete it. Additionally, we can send an email to all the followers of this opportunity. To add more followers, just click this button and then add followers. Furthermore, we can set an internal note where we can tag a coworker and they'll get a notification. As we manage this opportunity, we'll move through different stages until we reach proposition, where we'll send a quotation for the customer. But how do we link that quotation to this opportunity? Just click on New Quotation, and this is the form we need to fill out. The client's information are already set, so now we'll just add the products or services. Just click on Add a Product, and I'm going to offer Odoo service. The program will fill the details of this service, but we can modify it. Save and close. From here, we can send the quotation to the customer via email, and they even have the option to confirm it through the portal. The other option is to confirm it manually by clicking Confirm. Now we see it's changing from a quotation to a sales order. What does this mean? Rachel's opportunity will move to the one stage because we successfully closed the sale. If we go back to the Kanban view, we will move Rachel's opportunity to the one stage. And that's all. An easy and straightforward process. I hope this information comes in handy for you. See you in the next video.